just arrived there at Sofitel in Guangzhou, and we're gonna stay here for the night tonight. It looks really cool. So after we check in over here, I'm gonna show you guys what room we're in tonight. I've just checked into my room, 2508. I'm going to give you guys a tour of what my room looks like. So as soon as we get into the hotel room, just to my right, see the bathroom over here, massive as hot tub on the left, with the normal basin feature in the middle, over here. And what's in here? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, here's all the little amenities. Towel. Little sink. Awesome. This is... oh, awesome. This is a bathroom, it looks like it. No, a shower. The shower head over here. And the roof rainwater shower head on the roof, which I actually really like. Okay. And I'm guessing this is a toilet. Yep, this is the toilet, which is pretty big. It's even got a telephone next to it. Don't know what the hell you'd use it for when you're on the loo. And if we step right over here, is the king room. We've got Sheena sitting there on the far side on the couch, playing on her phone as usual. Massive as TV on a desk. And just below here is a fridge with the minibar. Glasses, and nothing down the bottom drawer. So it looks like on the desk is pretty basic, normal working desk that you'll normally find. PowerPoint plugs. In-room telephone. I don't know what this is. I think it's another... oh, stuff for the TV. And just over here in the corner we have another little mini bar with lots of little spirits. Coffee plunger, which is the first. Oh, true. So you even give you this mean coffee bag. Some ice bucket. And just a jug behind these doors. And that's it. Don't know what this is. It's just a book. Yeah, so there you have it. This is what my room looks like. This is the Sofitel luxury room in Guangzhou with a single king bed in it. So if you guys liked my video, remember to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Like this video and give me a comment in the comment section below if you want to know anything about this hotel. Anyways, I'm out of here. See ya!